and I picked up a $12, okay, drawstring ponytail. Hey guys, welcome back to your girl Miss Gemini Talks channel. If you're new here, I hope that you guys stay to the end, and if you like what you see, hope that you press that subscribe button and also ring that bell so you won't miss any new videos from your girl, you know. Alright guys, so in today's video you see I got my hair up in a little bun, which I'm very happy about because I can finally fit my hair in a full upward ponytail. Now if you don't know the backstory, I had cancer and my hair is starting to grow back. You know, if you haven't seen my other video about my hair growth journey, make sure you check it out. Press that link and so you can see it. But yeah, I'm feeling so good guys, and I said, you know what, I miss wearing my ponytails, and so I went to the beauty supply store and I picked up a $12, okay, drawstring ponytail. Alright, this is the Sassy collection. It's the straight long ponytail. I got two of these, so you'll be seeing me do another video on the curly version of it. I'm so excited guys, and it's on sale for $12. I mean, it's synthetic, so you can't really do much to it, but I just like the long regular straight ponytail look. Okay guys, I'm gonna be trying this on, and I hope you guys like it. Okay guys, so this is how it looks right here. Alright, it feels really soft, but it does sheds. Okay, so I mean, for $12 it's gonna be expected. But I like it. It's a nice length for me, so yeah, it's pretty cute. I'm gonna try it on right now, and just so you guys know, my mirror is over here, so I have to turn this way. Alright guys, so this is the final look. So cute and nice and simple guys. Alright, you can't beat a ponytail, drawstring ponytail, for only $12. What? And you know, you can just do a real quick ponytail and you're out, do your makeup, and you're good to go. Okay guys, so I think that you guys, if you have a beauty supply store next to you, they have different prices. It ranges from $10 to $15. I got this one for $12, so you can't beat it. I also got another one. It's a curly one. I love the curly ponytails too, and it's not as long as this one. This one, I think, yeah, this one is longer. It's a little shorter, but for me, I like to style it a little bit, you know. So, and that one was for $15, I think. I've got to look at the price of that one. But really good deals. It's synthetic. It's not human hair, so you can't curl it. But, you know, there's nothing wrong. You can't go wrong with a straight ponytail, guys. Like, let's be honest. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I would have did the ponytail for you guys, as in showing you how I, you know, slick my hair down, but I've been using edge control. I use a little bit Ego Style gel for my hair to slick it down and to do my edges, just so you know guys. Okay, so make sure you stay tuned for up and coming videos. I got some hauls coming up, I got more hair stuff coming up, and more story times. All right guys, so I hope that you press that subscribe button, and guys, let's connect. Follow your girl on Instagram, okay? Ms_Gemini with 2 eyes at the end talks. And my main personal Instagram is Ms_Gemini with 2 eyes. All right, guys? Now, hope you stay tuned for another video.